Okay, family, so I'm back in the house and I want to see how these taste. A part of me feel like maybe I had these before, but I can't recall. Very good. Sweet, nice and soft, tasty. So, if you guys are go to Sam's Club, you want to get this a Gojo. I like them. They probably would have tasted even better if they was nice and cold. Also, probably with some vanilla. With some vanilla ice cream and some pecans. Oh, that would have been really, that would have hit the spot, child. All right, family, so now we are at checkout. So this is my cart. Let me know what you guys, or how much you think this stuff is going to be, okay, the total. All right, so we have this card. Honey, that list, I just put it to the side. And then we also have this one. Next time, you know what? I'm going to eat before I definitely come, because this is where all this stuff comes from. Come with me as I go to Sam's Clubs. Now, one of the things that I don't recommend is you going to the supermarket if you didn't eat. Because, honey, you would start picking up any and everything. But not me. You know why? Because I got my list. Handy dandy notebook. Okay? Let's see what they have inside. Okay, family. So I just got to the Sam's Club. Okay, and honey, it's a line. So right now it's like 9:56. So we have to wait like 4 minutes. So that's not bad. Okay, family. Look, I got my list. I said 15 items to get. What you say? Okay, family, so this is an amazing deal to me. All right, 24 pieces glass food storage set for $24.99. Honey, this is a steal deal. They also have the nested serve in store bowl set, 10-piece set for $18.98. This is really, really good, because not only do they have, you know, the bowls, of course, but they also have the lids that comes with it, and they come in different colors. So this is a steal deal. I like this. These are really, really cute for the kids. So they have the H2O Go, the Triple Splash Water Park. This is a fun. $3.49. Absolutely love this. This is really, really gorgeous. They also have the Bounce House, which is $3.59 as well, all white. I don't know about the all white, but honey, the splash and slide with the tunnel, honey, fun go. $2.49. Absolutely love this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these, the Welchers. Oh my goodness, my favorite is definitely the purple. So I'm gonna get one case of these for my children. Honey, I'll be drinking some of this. But no, and also I'm going to get the Welchers. This, I absolutely love this. So these are $7.28 for two. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these and then one of these. Alright, so I had got this Snapple with the Snapple apple, that's my favorite. Then a fruit punch and a kiwi strawberry, this one is $17.88. Okay, so I'm also going to get the sparkling ice. Now, this is a really, really good deal. Okay, so it's $11.98 in here. Oh, 24 bottles. This is good. So now I'm going to get some ramen. Oh my goodness. These noodles right here, they taste so, so good. Let me know in the comment section which soup Or do you guys even eat ramen? This right here is $16.98. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these. Okay, honey, my friends left me. Okay, honey, I'm in here to get the stuff that I need. And you see now, I'm like, I should have put pasta sauce. Honey, that ain't on the list. No, I better get it. I better get it. All right, so this is Prego and then Ragu. All right, so the Prego is, they both the same exact price. And I'm trying to see which one. I think my mother started using Ragu. So I'm going to go ahead and get the Ragu pasta sauce. And it's $8.98. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Okay, also I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 cases of the Chef Boyardee, and these are $11.98. All right, so I'm also getting these peach halves. All right, these are, oh my goodness, honey, they look so juicy. So I told you guys last time that I normally cook with either avocado oil or grapeseed oil, and this avocado oil is $10.75. Okay, family, so I'm also going to get some onions. These sweet onions are $5.47. Let's see how many pounds these are. Oh, honey, I don't see it. All right, so this Mrs. Dash season, oh my goodness, so it tastes so good. These are $5.98, but I'm not buying these today. I never tried the Danos. Let me know in the comment section if you guys ever tried the Danos. I don't even know how much this is. It's not even a price over here that I see. But another seasoning is really, really good. The complete $5.98, that's not bad at all. All right, so one of the things I do need is the onion powder. This is $8.68. I'm also going to get the chicken bouillon. This is $5.98. Then I'm also going to get the buttery steakhouse from Kinder's. This is $5.48. This is definitely a reason why you don't come if you didn't eat. Honey, I'm here. You know what? I had the list, okay? And honey, these things on the list I didn't even get because I was picking up other things. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this potato salad. And this potato salad is $6.98. I hope it's good. Okay, so this is like really the #1 reason why I came to Sam's Club was because of this. Okay, I want to try it. You know, this is the fake imitation crab leg meat. Okay, so we gonna get this to go, Joe.
Oh, those are good. These don't taste right for me no more. That curry one.
Have you guys tried the peach halves? Okay, honey, they look so juicy and good. I definitely had to grab these. All right, family, so now we are at checkout. So this is my cart. Let me know what you guys, or how much you think this stuff is gonna be. Okay, the total. All right, so we have this card. Honey, that list, I just put it to the side. That's why I got up under me. Now what you say, client? How much? Oh, it's almost. Don't get scared now. Can I run and get those Doritos real quick? The Doritos. Our total is $379.27. We did pretty good.